Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well, you've got you another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and select seat on Etihad Airways. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for the matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead first, access a particular etihad.com on your browser and simply access their official website. Here in this section, the first thing you will find is manage your booking, where you're going to enter your information and find your booking regarding any of the changes and updates to confirm. If you would like to add seat or choose seat, for that you simply have to go to this manage section on top, and once you're here, you will simply be able to find this option of choose your seat below the special assistance. Go ahead, tap on it, and then here in this section you're going to find this kind of information, right? Simply go ahead, tap on this choose your seat. Go ahead, read it out if you would like to. Otherwise, you can simply choose to manage your booking or simply tap on this call us to directly call them and confirm it. Otherwise, simply tap on this reserve your seat. And again, it will ask you for you to enter your reference ticket number and your last name and tap on this find my booking. That way they will confirm that you have booked your tickets, and your tickets, once they have confirmed it, verified it, you will be able to choose seats from the available ones, and once you're done, you will simply be able to confirm it and your tickets will be updated that way. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.